me tell y'all something, because this is starting to get on my nerves because it's affecting me too much. I don't ever want anybody to fucking make love to me. Okay? I don't want you to do anything slowly, okay? I'm here for the WWE SmackDown, okay? I'm not here to be all tender with you. I'm not here to put no fucking slow jams on, okay? I didn't come in here for that. I came in here to get my ass beat. Alright? You need to be making sure I can't walk afterward, okay? When I'm done fucking you, I shouldn't want to cuddle. I should want to call the police, nigga. Okay? I'm here to get beat up. Alright? I don't like when a nigga want to fucking be like touching me all slowly and shit and all that. Nigga, if you don't pick me up and slam me up against the fucking wall, shit. I am not here to have sex with you. I'm here to fight you. Come on. Shit. All this slow shit y'all talking about. Ooh, I'm gonna make love to you. Ooh, it's gonna be so gentle. What the fuck is gentle, bitch? I don't want no gentle shit. Pile drive me, bitch. You should not be able to tell if I'm alive or not after. Come on. You better come out like a fucking fire hose. I want you to nut with the force of a fire hose, bitch. Send me into the fucking stratosphere. I don't want to slow dance with you. Shit. I am here for the SmackDown. Okay? Stop being fucking childish. Don't be fucking childish with me. Okay? Headbutt me. Fuck Bill Cosby, R.I.P. Aretha. Like,